Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
I don't have any with me.
If you don't have them, I'm going to arrest you, sir.
Well, arrest me then.
Step on the ground.
Do what?
Step on the vehicle, sir.
Why?
It's not bad.
You arrest me?
Yes, sir.
No, you don't arrest me.
Sir?
Why you going to arrest me?
I'm going to ask you to step on the vehicle.
You going to handcuff me?
Sir? I'm going to ask you to step on the vehicle.
Officer?
Sir, I'm giving you a lawful directive.
No, you can't give me no lawful directive. To tell me though you don't arrest me, you call me now my driver's license.
Step from the vehicle.
Officer?
This is a final warning I get this.
No, this is not a warning. Don't tell me that you're going to warn. If you tear gas me, you know.
Step from the vehicle.
No. If you tear gas me, don't. If you tear gas me.
Step from the vehicle, sir.
You're going to tear gas me.
Step from the vehicle, sir. Step from the vehicle. Step from the vehicle.
What are you doing to my phone, bro?
Sir, step from the vehicle. Step from the vehicle, sir.
A lot of logs. A lot of logs. Are you okay? Are you okay? Turn up or off? Up. Are you okay? Yeah, big. Where's your phone? I want to call. Can I call somebody like more than somebody? No? Don't call none of them? You sure? You sure I mustn't call any of them? No, wait. You can't spray all money in your eye. How you supposed to spray for old man in his eyes? That's my father. What kind of example him setting? And he catch me in my eye too.
What really happened? Why this?
He's trying to explain to him, he's talking to him, and the policeman is being very ignorant with him. And he sprayed it in his eye, directly in his eye. How you supposed to spray? No, he did not. He overtook a set of vehicles, and the police overtook. Walk along, children, walk along. He told him to pull over. He pulled over. He was explaining that how much vehicles he took, overtook, and he was saying no. And the police officer told him to exit the vehicle, and he's saying, hold on, we're trying to explain, and he sprayed him directly in the eye. Now that's a violation. For no reason. He didn't show any aggressive force or anything. I have a video. You okay?
Alright, since when the situation was so aggravated, I don't know.
That one. And I don't begin, you know? Are you okay now?
Get some water.
They have any water?
Why don't we not?
I would like to restrain him and not let him spray anything else in my father's eye. I don't trust him. Wine on the window? No. He says no. 40 years and all this. Can you believe it? Walk along, please. Can you let them walk along, please? Do you have any water? Huh? Do you have any water? Here. Life just throws terrible things at you all the time. After 40 years of service, you got a tree. Turn it. Show it. After 40 years of service. I'm going to call him out like that.
No, man, no.
You sure? I don't trust him now. More water? Can you see? Can you open your eye? Are you okay? How are you going to deal with the situation? More water? Why they turn one something into this, dad? Look here. Who is this now? Is it look in the brown suit? Open your eye for a second. Look to your side. In the brown suit. You seen our brown suit?
What's up? Ula, what's up? What's up? What's up?
They spray him in his eyes. You need to fire them or something.
Jungle, still at me. Hey, look here.
Viewers and subscribers, if you notice in the last part of the video, you see one man step out of the car just as the superintendent arrived. You can notice that the superintendent look on the man who get the pepper spray in his eye, and the man who get the pepper spray in his eye, well, him can kind of see now, look over and see the superintendent, and you notice you hear a name call out, right? So it seems to me like the soup and the driver that got the pepper spray in his eye, it look like the two of them know each other. So what really and truly is going to happen here, son? I mean, what if this man is a close friend of the superintendent? What going to happen with the police officer now with all this effort? You see what I say? Like, sometimes you have to just take a little chill back and listen. No, really and truly, you know, we all know that it is very dangerous out there because people play some terrible games, you know. You have people who pretend, you know. So, as a police officer, you have to depend on your sharp eyes, you know. We know that, you see what I say? But, boy, I mean, I know, this world is just taxi-turvy, you know. Because really and truly, you can't just get up and say the police officer wrong. And you can't just get up and say, boy, the man wrong. You see what I say? Because this world is full of a tricks, craft, and trade, you see me? Because as simple as I take it, that man that is in the car, that try to say him not have this nor that, he can't have a gun. I mean, people don't know people. I just saw life go, you see me? So really and truly, from both sides in this, I see some wrongs in both sides, you see? You see? We know we all are going to get old one day, and we know say all we have a father, you see what I say? And treating the elderly bad is not a good thing. We all know that, you see? Right? But anyways, me alone can't know everything because me and Mr. Know It All. You see it? So me I go left this one to you, my viewers, to tell me what you think about the situation. Because this one really and truly look ups and downs. You see me? Is it that the driver is too stubborn, or is it that the police officer is too forceful? You see me I say? Both of them at a little clash a while ago. You see me I say? So basically it would be police officer versus Jamaican citizen, you see, or elderly citizen, you see. Alright, so as always, you don't know people, you see me, my viewers and subscribers, I want to just take a look on this and be fair to, no, you see me, because some of the people, them quick for just jump and say, yo, police this and police that. I agree, say you have good and bad police, but and every police bad. You see me, and we know that every one of them good, see. So give a fair judgment to the thing, you see. Alright. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this way just see is Dancehall Skilla ENT. Uno big up on yourself. You see it? Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla ENT.